Hi there, my name is Heather, and I live in Toronto. And a friend of mine had LeafFilter installed on her house, and she told me what a great product it was. So I arranged for LeafFilter to come and do a presentation for us, and we were really impressed with the product. One of the things we were most impressed with is the comparison of competitors' products. LeafFilter is far and away a superior product to the other products on the market. So we went ahead and had LeafFilter installed, and we couldn't be happier. One of the worst jobs for me is cleaning the eavestrough twice a year. And, you get up on the ladder and it's not safe. With changing climate, it gets colder and colder every year. The leaves fall later and later. Often they freeze in the eavestrough and it just becomes an unwieldy job. So LeafFilter has just been a lifesaver for us, and I couldn't be happier with the product. I'm so happy with the product, in fact, that I talked to my dad about installing it at our cottage. And at our cottage, we have a lot of pine trees. And so my dad was quite concerned that the pine needles would go through the LeafFilter. And so we had Alex come out and he explained to my dad how it would all work. And we had it installed at the cottage. And again, we couldn't be happier. It's working perfectly. The water flows right through. We were a little worried about debris building up on top of LeafFilter, but the company explained that, that happens and the wind will blow it away. And that's in fact what happened. So we couldn't be happier. I am a great supporter of LeafFilter, and I highly recommend their company.